Yo, this is King Earner coming to you guys live and direct. I want to welcome everybody to the Honorable Cooking Show. I want to thank all my new subscribers because that's all I've been getting. A lot of subscribers. There isn't a lot of traction on the actual cooking show because, as you know, the cooking show was once the Honor Snatching Show. And I felt good about the Honor Snatching Show. It was beautiful. A lot of individuals was able to embrace the educational part about it. Staying away from betrayers, staying away from real zats, staying away from negative. A lot of people just didn't get the understanding of, I'm not just talking to you real zats, right? They didn't get the understanding that I was talking to those who once lived the same life I lived, the crime, to get away from the streets. But while they were getting away, run away from the real zats. So now here today, you can get some clarity of what's going on now. And what's going on now is strictly cooking. My algorithm says cooking. My algorithm isn't entertained by anything that is negative. My algorithm isn't entertained by anything that has to do with a demographic leadership where nothing but negativity is going on. It has to do with cooking. It has to do how you tenderize your meat. It has to do with those steps. And if everybody know about King Earner, they know that at the end of the day, it came down to this when it comes down to the rules and laws of understanding the honor in cooking. You have to want to cook first. If you don't want to cook, guess what? The food ain't gonna come out good. The second thing is that pan must be hot. That oil must be ready and you must be prepared to cook. You must have a mindset that you're coming away from something too. It has to be a dark place. I'm gonna let you know. Cooking isn't really just for individuals having a good time. And it can be peace for a lot of individuals that just want to have a good time. But for those that been through what I've been through in life, I'm telling you now that nothing negative is going to come in your mind. And it could if you're that much still strung out on negativity. You still can have a mindset where as though it's like, you know, I'm thinking about what I used to do this. Or I don't think like that anymore. I think about cooking. I think about positivity. I think about prospering in life. I think about having something. I think about keeping something. I think about giving everybody else the same understanding that I have in my heart. And guess what? The same way when people was trying to give it to me, some individuals, their peace in therapy, I'm not going to say sad to say because an earn is an earn. Some of their therapy is their work. People that go climb up on high poles and fix electricity. You know what I'm saying? That's their therapy. I know some individuals who actually take time out and go swimming. They have different hobbies, different things. It's just that cooking, if you don't want to do it and it going to work out, you could do all them other things and don't not want to do them. And it may work out. You got many of successful individuals that have became successful living a life and doing things that they don't like. But I'm talking about with me. I'm talking about the ex-felons, those who were running around that was negative, in the streets selling drugs, using drugs, doing a bunch of negative things that put them in a position where their life was full of negativity. I'm telling you, cooking is the best therapy in the world. Some of y'all see this video and be like, I never even seen King Earner smile this much. Well, I'm smiling because my demographic and my algorithm is full of nothing but good vibes and good energy. So y'all see me all over the platforms. I know y'all do. But there's a lot of individuals that were here for the entertainment. And I want for those individuals who were here for the entertainment to not go nowhere because the entertainment is still here. It's just entertainment that you can digest. Something that you don't have to say, I'm worried about this one or that one or this person or that person or what's going on. It's just something that if everybody tapped into it, I guarantee you, I put $1 million on it if I had it. I'm going to have it. So what I'll do is I'll put an honorable billset because it's not really a billset, but it's a billset that if you tap into doing something that's creative, that got to do with your skill, you will feel great. The negative things that you have in you were only created by the things that you've done in your demographic area and your algorithm. You see what I'm saying? You created it and you fed off of everything that was going on that was negative. No one could tell you to chill out. All the people that are positive was telling you, yo, hey, relax. It's not that deep. But you had the negative people in your ear. Hey, this, that, and the third, man. You hip, you hop, you dibbity, bibbity, da. No, you're not. You're looking like a loser. And you're supporting losers who are afraid of other losers. And what I mean by that is that just because I call an individual a loser don't mean that that person can't become a winner. Most losers know the understanding of losing. So they have the education. But a lot of individuals don't have the understanding that failing can sometimes put you in a position where as though you're winning. Now, you take those elements from the things that you lost and you failed in and say, I'm not going to do that. I'm dotting my I's, I'm crossing my T's. Guess what? You're going to win too. But I tell everybody like this time and time again, you have to find your therapy. It's not going to be in a psych. This may be shadow banned because it's not going to be in a psych hospital. You don't have to worry about being 302'd. You don't have to worry about talking about you hearing voices. Sometimes you got to go and cook, do something creative. You like golfing, go play golf. Talk to yourself the whole time. But just don't answer yourself in a way where as though it's out loud and you're running around and people looking at you like crazy, because sometimes you have to answer yourself to get the best answers. Because you could say something or do something out loud, and guess what? People will be like, well, damn, what did he or she say? But if you say it in your head first, when it comes out loud, it's more better, it's positive, even if you're being a little aggressive. But we got to turn it down a little bit because men aren't dealing with solid men in this time. Like it's not a significant, honorable fashion of men out here where men can deal with men. Some men can have conversations or just be a little rough around the edges and a little hype and active, and people will be scared of them. You have to be able to put on an aura whereas though people are more acceptive. And I learned that. You can learn that too. But I'm telling you right now, if you follow King Erna, you was with me through the whole run, I'm telling you, go ahead, get you a pan. I'm telling you, go ahead and get you some honorable avocado oil. Throw it in the pizza, let it cook, and sit back, let it sizzle. That alone, if you see it get too hot, turn it down. Learn your gadgets, learn your gears. Because guess what? Learning these things is educational, and educational sometimes is good. And I'm not going to sit up here and tell you school education is bad for you, because a lot of y'all are going to need it just to survive in America, because the system that you're going to be going up against, you need some type of understanding and education to be able to work machinery and things of this nature. Same thing with cooking, same thing with painting, same thing with golfing, same thing with all of these things that you want to do. The therapy end of it is the best end of it. And if you know that you're helping yourself, it's showing care for yourself in that matter where you can take off and be successful, and you can help other individuals around you be successful. I'm going to let y'all go with that. I'm going to make sure that y'all have the understanding to subscribe to the King Erna Show. King Erna, the Honorable Cooking Show. All you got to do is just look it up. It's everywhere. But guess what? It's not getting a lot of traction. I'm not mad at that. I don't expect for everybody that was entertained by the negative things or the street things to be into cooking. But I want y'all to. So this is what this video is for. Other than that, I'll just keep cooking, putting out. But I wanted to say to everybody that was into the entertaining part of it is that 1,500 videos or close to 2,000 videos of that nonsense, right? And a lot of it isn't nonsense. It's understanding and staying away from betrayal. But it's also a new wave of algorithm of positivity that I'm creating that you can tune to. So make sure you come and tune into that. Stick there. Stick to the cooking. Those that didn't like me, I don't give a feels like about you. Keep not liking me. But I'm going to say this to you. Come and learn how to cook. King on Alive and Direct. That's understanding.